All right, now here is something that most new hosts don't often realize. Guests don't actually judge your Airbnb based on the whole stay. They judge you based on specific moments. And in fact, y'all, there are only two moments that decide whether or not guests will leave you 5 stars or a review that you'll end up regretting. And here's the crazy part. Most new hosts will spend their time and their energy on the wrong parts of the guest experience. And where they're focusing, it is not on the parts that guests remember. And later in this video, I'm going to show you the second moment, the one that almost no one ever talks about. And once you see it, you will never look at reviews the same way again. So let's go and break it down, because understanding the two moments that drive every single Airbnb reviews will change everything for you. And by the way, I'm Seth. I'm one of the co-founders of the Innkeepers Collective. We've hosted over 10,000 guests across multiple cities, and we earn about $1 million annually on Airbnb. And after reading all those reviews across our 10,000 guest stays, one thing has become crystal clear. Guests don't actually review your property. No. They review how your property made them feel in those two moments. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through the exact two moments that shaped every review on Airbnb. I'm going to talk about what great hosts do, and I'm also going to share a tiny 10-second detail that instantly upgrades the ending of every guest stay. And hang in there with me, y'all, because here at the moment, I'm going to give you a free power prompt pack that you can use to fix every part of your guest experience that most matter to your reviews. All right, so let's jump in. And the first moment that decides your review happens in those first 5 minutes after guests walk into your property. And psychologists refer to this as the primacy effect. And that is just a fancy way of saying that your brain gives extra weight to the very first part of any experience. So think about what happens when you walk into a hotel room. Before you even put down your bags, you already know if it feels clean, comfortable, and welcoming. And your guests aren't actually any different as it relates to this. And if the lights are off, if the room feels cold, or if the space actually looks cluttered, their expectations are going to drop instantly. And on the other hand, if they walk in and see warm lighting, clean counters, soft textures, and the space feels really ready for them, they will instantly relax, and that level of relaxation converts into trust. And that sense of ease, that sense of emotional ease will stick with them throughout their entire stay. And here's a quick thing that you can do to warm up your entry experience. So before every guest checks in, you will want to turn on 3 things. You want to turn those lights on, get some lamps on, and get a little bit of warmth into the space. Lights make your space feel more welcoming, lamps give the space a nice mood, and the warmth creates a sense of comfort. And this only takes about 20 seconds for you to do, but it makes a strong first impression. It makes your space feel intentional, not accidental. And by the way, if you need a little help improving these two moments quickly, I put together a power prompt pack. It's an optimized prompt that you can drop into ChatGPT 5, and it helps you audit your entire guest experience using really the same review psychology I'm teaching in this video. And you can grab it down below in the description, and you could begin applying it right after this video, sharpening and improving the two moments that matter that shapes all Airbnb reviews. All right, let's keep going. And that second moment, it comes at the end of their guest stay, but it's just as powerful as the beginning. And that is because of a psychological principle referred to as the peak end rule. And yet, it's just another fancy way of saying people remember two parts of an experience, the emotional high point as well as the end point. And here's what we sometimes miss as hosts. Your ending isn't actually shaped by your checkout instructions. It is shaped by how guests feel as they're walking outside of your property. And look, y'all, if they are rushed, if they're confused, or if they're unsure about the checkout experience, that tension is going to linger. But on the other hand, if checkout feels simple, y'all, if it is clear, and most importantly, if it feels respectful of their time, your ending becomes an instant 5-star win. So here's how you can do to sharpen this critical moment. You will want to send a simple but friendly message the morning of checkout. So here's the message that you want to send. You want to say, hey, insert the guest name. Hope you had a great stay. Checkout time is, insert checkout time. No rush. Let me know if you need anything before you head out. And with this message, your goal is to lower the stress. You're ending with care and you're setting yourself up for a warm review. And so, if this video is already helping you to see reviews differently, go ahead and hit that like button. It helps other hosts like you find this video on YouTube. And y'all, while you're there, just go ahead and hit subscribe because every week I break down the psychology behind hosting so you can run a smoother, more profitable Airbnb. And look, y'all, we're building out this community and I would love for you to be a part of it. So go ahead and hit subscribe. And from this video, you can tell that these two moments are really important. But here's the bigger picture. Guests don't actually remember the whole stay. They remember how they felt walking in and they remember how they felt walking out. And it's actually these two emotional moments become the story that they tell in their reviews. Okay, so don't get me wrong. The things that happen in between are important, but the review is really shaped by the emotional bookends. And so if you control the energy at the start of the stay and the energy at the end, your reviews will rise even if everything else stays the same. And here's one additional thing I would like for you to do to push this just a little further. I want you to add one detail that creates a mini high point in the middle of the stay. And this could be something like adding a local snack, a handwritten welcome, a list of curated recommendations, or even a surprise comfort item. You're not actually trying to wow your guests. Instead, you're trying to give their brain a moment worth remembering. And y'all, I'm sharing the details in this video with you today because a lot of new hosts focus entirely on decor and amenities and almost nothing on experience and flow. But the thing I share with new hosts in our coaching program, and that is reviews don't reward effort. They reward clarity, comfort, and emotional ease. And if you want better reviews, improve the moments that guests actually remember, not the ones that we sometimes as hosts will obsess over. And because this is so important, let me just kind of recap quickly. The first 5 minutes set the tone of a guest stay, whereas the last 2 minutes will seal the impression. And I want you to add one tiny but memorable moment in the middle to create an emotional peak that will stick with guests long after they've left your property. And if you focus on these moments, your reviews will rise even if nothing else changes. And here's the part that new hosts sometimes will miss. If you don't understand the new Airbnb rules, your listing can still struggle. And this can happen no matter how good the guest experience is. And that is because Airbnb changed major policies in 2025. And these policies affect critical things such as your visibility, expectation, and the way reviews impact your rankings on Airbnb. So before your next guest check-in, be sure to watch this next video on Airbnb's 2025 new rules that every host needs to know. And if you skip it, y'all, you're going to be missing the context that makes the entire review system make sense. Because when you pair what you've learned in this video with that one, you're going to be ahead of 90% of the other hosts in your market.